Welchel, filming here in Tustin, California for my crochet studio. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do 16 double crochet chains. So this is handy if you don't want to start with just chaining and then double crocheting into those chains, but making the double crochets directly. So go ahead and get your yarn and then start off with 3 chains. Now yarn over and into the 3rd chain from the hook. You're going to pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through just the first loop, and then do a double crochet through here. So just yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the next 2. And that gives you your first 2 double crochet chains. So now yarn over again and into the bottom, stick the bottom 2 loops, stick your crochet hook. So make sure you're catching both loops in there. And then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And there's your next chain or next double crochet, and you're going to continue doing this until you have your set of 16. So again, just yarn over, insert the hook into the bottom 2 loops, and then pull through those, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and then continue doing this until you've reached 16. And that is how you crochet 16 double crochet chains.